A very warm good morning to all my super little champs. I hope you are all safe and sound at your home along with your all family members. Children, today we are going to do a very interesting activity. But first let me explain you few things about that activity. For that, I am going to show you few pictures and then we will try to recognize those pictures and tell their names. Okay? Now see this picture. Can you recognize it? Yes, this is a picture of a boy. Now some of you can say, ma'am, this is a picture of a child. Very true. That is also correct. And if some of you know this child, know this boy personally, then you can also tell his name. Like suppose his name can be Rohit, isn't it? So, children, the words like boy, child, Rohit are all names. They are names of persons. Now, what the boy is having in his hand? Yes, yummy ice cream. That is also a name, isn't it? Ice cream is also a name, but it is a name of a thing. Now see this picture. What is it? Yes, a rabbit. So this is also a name, but this is a name of an animal. Okay? In the same way, now let's recognize this beautiful monument. Can you tell its name? Yes, it is the Taj Mahal, and you know it is in Agra. So the words like Taj Mahal, Agra are also names, but they are names of places. So what did we learn today, children? That all the words which tell us names of any person, place, animal or thing are naming words. Okay? And so our today's activity is related to this only. Now let's start our activity. Okay, children, the activity which we have to do, for that you need to open your Treetop book, Companion Book 1. Okay? So all of you take out this book and open page number 6. Okay? We were doing Let's Learn Grammar. Exercise A. Underline the naming words in these sentences. Now children, I have already explained you naming words. I have told you that the words which tells the name of any person, place, animals or things are naming words. Okay? And we have to find those naming words and underline in the given sentences. Now let's see the first sentence. Geetu is my sister. We can see that in first sentence, Geetu and sister are already underlined. Why? Because they both are name of persons. Then in the second sentence, Monu said, I want to go to Delhi. In this, what are naming words? Monu and Delhi. Monu is a name of a person and Delhi is a name of a place. You can go to Delhi, so it is a name of a place. The teacher said, I will tell you a story. Now teacher is a name of a person and it is a naming word. And one more naming word we have, story, and it is a name of a thing. That house has a green roof. What you can see and touch over here? What are the naming words? House and roof. So we will be underlining house and roof. You can go at the top of the roof. You can go to your house. So they both are name of place. Tina lives in Mumbai. Again, Tina is a name of a person and Mumbai, it's a name of a place. You can go to Mumbai. Okay. Now move to the next page. Page number 7. Point number 6. We enjoyed ourselves at the zoo. Now, what is the naming word over here? Zoo. You can go to zoo. It's the name of a place. I saw elephants playing with horses. Now, what is naming word over here? Elephants and horses. but they are name of animals. They are not name of place or person. They are name of animals. Ram enjoys watching television. What is naming word over here? Ram, it's the name of a person. And television, it's the name of a thing. Ria and Rima played in the garden. Now Ria and Rima, they both are name of two girls. They are name of person. And garden is also a naming word. It is a name of a place. You can go to garden. I like going to the market. Now you can go to market and you can see the market. So market is also a naming word, but it is a name of a place. Okay. Now what you all have to do in the next exercise, I will give just one example and after that you will be doing it on your own. Okay. So be attentive. Now see in the exercise B. Now place the naming words in the correct columns. The naming words which we have underlined in the above sentences, we have to place those naming words in the correct column. If it is a name of a person, you will be writing here. If that naming word is a name of a place, you will be writing those names here. If that naming word is a name of animals, you will write those names here. And if the naming words are name of thing, you will be writing those names over here. Okay, for example, I show you. Geetu is my sister. So, what are the naming words we have underlined over here? Geetu and sister. Let's see where we can put them. Okay. Now, can we write Geetu in this column of place? No, Geetu is not a name of any place, isn't it? Is Geetu and sister, they are name of animal? No, they are not name of animal. Then are they name of anything? No, they are not name of anything. They are name of person. So where we are going to write them? We are going to write them here because they are name of person. So we will be writing Geetu and sister here. Okay. In the same way, you will go for your next sentence, which is Monu said, I want to go to Delhi. In this, we have again two naming words, Monu and Delhi. So Monu is the name of a place. No. Is the name of an animal? No. Is the name of a thing? No. It is the name of a person. So you will be writing Monu here. And Delhi, is Delhi name of any person? No. It is name of a place? Yes. You can go to Delhi. So you will write Delhi over here. Understood? I hope you have understood how you will do this activity. And after completing the activity, you will be sending it to your teacher in the group. Okay? So enjoy doing this activity. Goodbye, children.